Well, if your mirror looks like this, it probably needs to be replaced. So let me tell you what's going on here, and then we'll replace it. I came out one day, my mirror looked like this. And what this is the dimming liquid in the mirror. This is a auto dimming mirror. There's a sensor on the rear view mirror that dims the rear view mirror, and when it dims the rear view mirror, it dims the driver's side mirror as well. And what's happened is it's failed internally and it's leaked that dimming fluid or whatever you want to call it, and it's now you see it. And it will also leak out and get on your car, and it will stain the paint, so you want to remove it quickly. And it got on mine. I'll show you what it looks like. And so you want to get that stuff off your paint quickly, and I just used some soapy water, and luckily it all came off. I did have to do a little bit of scrubbing with microfiber, but it did come off. So this mirror has failed. If you want to replace it with an auto dimming mirror, they're about $150. To be honest, I didn't even realize until it failed that I had auto dimming as a feature. I'm just gonna put a replacement and get rid of the auto dimming. Like I said, I don't want to spend $150 on a replacement glass, so I bought an $18 one. We're gonna put that in, and if I end up missing the auto dimming feature, I can buy the $150 replacement glass, and I'm only out $18 on, the one that I had. So we're gonna go that route, and it'll direct swap in. There's no difference other than the connector for auto dimming. It's a 4-pin connector. The auto dimming will have 4 wires. The non-auto dimming will only have 2 wires in the connector. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, of course, is remove the old glass. I'd recommend wearing some gloves, and if your glass is actually broken, like shattered, you might want to tape over that so glass doesn't fall down. But wear gloves just to make sure if you do end up breaking it and getting it out, that you don't cut yourself. So we're going to tilt our mirror down, and when we're going to try to slip a pick down in here and get behind the retention clips that hold this on, and I'll show you that a little better once I get it off. Can't really see in there. There. Well, this style is a little different, but I did kind of get in here. I'll show you. I'm gonna push the motor back up a little bit, give us some room to unhook the bottom, and you can see it came off. So what I'm doing is I got the pick kind of like that. This style has this guard on here. I've seen some others that are more open up here, and our replacement glass may be where you can more easily get in here behind. But this one I had to kind of come at an angle, and you kind of get in here and it just kind of helps pry these out. You could probably brute force it and just pull it off, but try to be a little gentle. You don't want to mess the motor up. So now that we've got this out, we've got 2 things. We've got our plug right here for the auto dimming and the turn signal. This one has the turn signal, and that's what this plug is here. It's 4 plug, 4-wire plug. Like I said, 2 are for the auto dimming, and 2 are for the blinker. And I'm just going to come in here, and you could take a clip or something, but you can probably just wiggle these out. Yeah. And so that's unplugged, and then we have our 2 little spade terminals for the mirror. I don't think it really matters, but I'm just going to put a little scribe mark on the top one. Like I said, I don't think it matters on this, but we're just going to keep track of which one's which here. So that's the top one, and those just pull off, and our old glass is out, and we did not break it. So here's my new one. I just got, this is an A Premium. It was $18 as of the making of this video. $18 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I've used A Premium parts before. They've seemed to be good quality. I have not used one of their mirrors before. The reviews are pretty decent. So one of the things I'm not completely positive on, I'm not sure. I've not done one of these on one that had the blinker, and so I don't know if you have the blinker option but do not have auto dimming. If you have a 2 port or a 2 position plug, 2 wire plug, maybe. But this mirror does come with, I looked for one that said it would work with, that it did not support auto dimming, but it would work on vehicles that did, if that makes sense. So as you can see, this one comes with this jumper harness. So this goes from the 4-pin connector to a 2-pin connector, and so that's what I'm talking about. I don't know if on vehicles, if y'all know in the comments, leave a comment below. If you have a vehicle that does not have auto dimming, do you have a 2-plug connector on yours, or do you have a 4-pin that's missing 2 wires similar to this? So I looked for one that said it would work on either, and that's what we've got here. And it has this jumper harness. So I don't know, maybe not, I don't know. But we're gonna plug our little jumper harness in. If you look, it's got a little dimple or something in there, a slot, or this side's got a slot. So just line that up and plug it in. And just keep in mind to keep this out of the way for when you plug it in. And I guess we really didn't need to mark those because they're kind of in place for where they were. And like I said, I don't think it really matters anyway. So we're going to plug those in, and that's for the heated portion. If you don't have heated mirrors, you're not going to have these, but this is a replacement glass for a heated mirror. And then we're going to plug this in, and it'll only go one way. So we're going to plug that into there. And that's plugged in, and we're going to tuck that kind of out of the way. And this will just snap on here. Now, real quick, I'm going to grab a rag. And we want to spread the load as we push this mirror on. It is going to have to snap on. And so we want to make sure we get it, we don't break it. Now, our clips are right here. So you want to focus, you're pushing here. If you push over here, it's going to flex it probably about right here, and you're going to crack it across here or crack it across here. So we want to put our pressure right in there. So we're going to get this lined up. Make sure our wire's not showing over there, and I can barely see it. Oh, that's, let's see. So we're gonna put a little curly Q in it. It's a little longer with that jumper harness, but that will work just like that. And we're gonna make sure that's lined up and it feels secure. We're gonna place this over the middle, support the back of the mirror. And if you heard, it snapped on. Now I'm just gonna kind of tap it around, and we're gonna give it one more push, and that is secure. It is on. And we will test it out. I've got y'all in the car to kind of keep y'all shielded. I'm gonna reach across y'all real quick. Turn our key on. And it's blinking and it's red. I read some reviews on some of them that said they were orange. My other side is so dimmed out, I can't tell what color it is from here. Let me go look real quick. So I think it was just the angle. I was looking at it from the back. I can see it really bright, but it's red. Now I have no idea if that other mirror has been replaced. I kind of feel like I may have replaced it at some point, but I'm not 100% positive. It may have been on a different vehicle. That works, and we could test our mirror motor, but I mean, it was working before. I guess we can test to make sure we didn't break it. Yep, we're good. So pretty easy replacement, quick and easy, and it was only $18. Like I said, we will not have the auto dimming feature, but I think I can live without it. So that's gonna do it. I'll put a link in the description to this mirror if you need to pick up a replacement. It seems to be good quality. As I'm looking at it, I mean, it doesn't look distorted or anything. It looks like it's flat, and yeah, I don't know what else you could ask for from a mirror. I really can't test the heated function. I mean, I guess see if it got warm, but it doesn't really get that cold here. I really don't care if the heated portion works or not. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.